Smart city concept integrates information and communication technology and the various physical devices connected to the IoT network to optimize the efficiency of city operations and services and connect to citizens. Smart city technology allows city officials to interact directly with both community and city infrastructure and to monitor what is happening in the city and how the city is evolving. The question is, can Nigeria build enough smart cities for the future, and are there any dangers if we fail to do so? Let's see this special report on how smart cities can work in Nigeria for answers. The recent emergence of the concept of smart cities presents challenges in the area of planning, managing, and governing modern cities in the digital age. Smart cities tend to focus on the attributes of cities at a more developed stage. This is why it is necessary to discuss the dangers of not building enough smart cities in Nigeria. The truth is that there is no single route to building a smart city, but rather there are crucial steps that can be adopted as part of the building process for achieving that objective. Speaking extensively with Digivation Network in an exclusive interview is Sir Demola Aladekomo, the chairman of Smart City Resorts PLC, who started by laying the foundation on what exactly a smart city means.
What do you mean by city being smart? It has to be digitally managed. It has to be technologically enabled for it to be smart. The infrastructure must be such that it gives convenience to life. A smart city will be a place where you can walk, live, and play. A place that enhances the quality of life that you live.
Very few smart cities have been attempted and are rarely built from scratch. Instead, they are constructed upon existing systems, practices, infrastructure, and organizational structures. In some developed countries, it is even difficult for smart cities to be distinguished from a traditional city. In the case of Nigeria, where existing systems can be said to be lacking, Sir Aladekomo gave an insight on how the gap can be bridged with proper collaboration between the government and the private sector.
Like I did say, we're supposed to have physical infrastructure and digital infrastructure. Unfortunately, our governments have not been able to even cope with the physical infrastructure, not to talk of the digital infrastructure. But it's still doable if we are able to take two of these areas that we discussed. That means building polycentric cities, coupled with agglomeration, and bringing in the private sector to get it done.
In many developed nations where smart cities are spreading fast, one of the key factors is a robust and secured digital identity management. The recent effort of the federal government of Nigeria shows that identity management is key to an effective execution of a smart city.
Identification. Why do we have banditry, kidnapping, Boko Haram, and all these militancy that we have all over the place? We do not know the person across the table, not talk of the person across the screen. So we need digital identity infrastructure that is not, unfortunately, and that's what we've told government, let the private sector come in to get this thing done. Now we spend a lot of money, we've done a lot of work. That work is now being questioned under controversy.
Can all the stakeholders come together on a table to draft a working plan for the actualization of smart cities for Nigeria? These and many more questions will be answered in the part 2 of this report coming next week.